We're now on the 8th hand, which is the last hand of the consecutive run section. Notice there's a C next to the points on your card. That means it's a concealed hand. So you cannot pick up any discards during the game until it's the very last one where you're actually ready to expose your entire hand and show your Mahjong. So at that point is the only time you can say, call, you take it, you say Mahjong, and of course get all excited. So other than that, you cannot call any of the discards because then you have to expose part of your hand and it's no longer concealed. That's where that comes from. All right, so we have our pair of flowers. Remember, those are not a suit, so they are just neutral. Then you have a single one, a pair of twos, a pung of threes. Then in a second color, so we have two different suits in this one, we have a single one, a pair of twos, and then a pung of threes. So here in my parentheses, it says any two suits, which we could tell because we have two different colors. Flowers don't have a suit. It says any same three consecutive numbers. So we could have 4, 5, 6, as long as we also had 4, 5, 6 in a separate suit. All right, so here is an example, just the way it's written. So I have my flowers and I have 1, 2, and 3s, right? And then I have a second suit. I'm using cracks, 1, 2, and 3. So those all match like they're supposed to. Now I'm going to show you with a different suits and numbers. So I've got my 4, 5, and 6 in bands. And then in dots, I have to have the same numbers. All right, so I have a 4, 5, and then 6. This would also give me a Mahjong. Again, assuming I did not take a discard, I did not call a discard and expose part of my hand, because then if so, whenever I call my Mahjong, and yes, that has happened to me once, I called Mahjong and they were like, wait, that's a concealed hand. And then I had a dead hand and everybody got to go on without me. So you don't want to do that. But the very last one, you can call it and then expose them all at the same time. All right, here is a pair, can't do a joker for it, can't do a joker here or in a pair, can't do a joker in any of them except for the pungs. So I could do